Hey, what's up, guys? So I just wanted to make a quick little video on these door strikes right here for an F250. Um, I know a lot of guys are probably still, or a lot of people are still rocking these old ones where they're putting electrical tape around them, something just to get them to stop rattling the door so much. These are the way to go. They hands down just they it made the whole truck just tighten up. You don't hear the body roll as much. The doors don't rattle at all. What I did was when I installed them, I tightened them almost all the way, and then I took a rubber mallet and I just kind of hit it back a little bit, just so that way the door would pull in just a little bit. But I mean, you can see that when you shut this, it just it just shuts. It's awesome. So if you're still using this, definitely switch and get these on there. You won't regret it. I'll put a link from where I got them. I got them for 84 bucks a piece from a place out here in Fontana, California. Um, but I can't say enough how much of an improvement this is for my doors. Huge improvement. If you got any questions, just comment. More stuff like this to come. Please like and subscribe. That will help me get this to doing more odd and end stuff and just educating everybody on what's like kind of the best parts to go with. Again, if you're still using these, get rid of them. This is the game changer for your truck as far as doors go. Yeah. Any questions, just drop a comment and I will get back to it. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll put a link from where I got them. They ship all over the United States as well. Thanks, and definitely more stuff like this to come.